Today, Sam, I want to show you one of our communication devices, the Talk 4 with levels, number 2500B. It comes in either black or silver, but this is a communication device, and it has 4 messages, but it also has levels, so you can have up to 48 messages. So I'm going to show you how this works. Just turn this on for you here on the back, and
new level 1.
You can try to press any one of the pictures and you'll get a response.
I'm sleepy. I'm sleepy. I'm hungry. If you're happy.
So that's how it works, real simple. You just press on the locations in the front. If you notice whenever you press a message,
I'm hungry.
The indicator light will illuminate during the recorded playback message. Every time you hit
I'm sleepy,
it will let you know that the message is being played. And this is really good for somebody who's maybe hearing impaired. They can actually know that they're relaying a message to someone. When we turn the unit over here on the back, it has 2 compartments, 2 AA's in each compartment, and it requires alkaline batteries only. Don't use any heavy duty or rechargeable type batteries, as they will not work. And you just put your 2 batteries in each compartment, follow the battery polarity. Tighten your screws back up. They use Phillips head screws, so you just need a small Phillips head screwdriver. Okay. Over here on the back, let's just go over the controls real quickly. Here's your on-off volume control knob. You have a level changer to change your levels, and then your record button. And your microphone's here. Speaker. Switch input jack for scanning, and we'll get to that later on in the video. And that's pretty much it on the back. This also, with the levels here on the back, if we press our level button, we actually will be able to have a new set of messages. We would slide this icon sheet out and put a new sheet in, and we can record new messages for each of these icons. We can also use this with an external switch. If you aren't able to press this button, you plug your switch here in the back, and there's a few different functions with the switches using what they call scan. So we'll turn the machine on. When you plug your switch in here in the back, it's set up for what they call auto scan. You're going to press the switch down, hold it for about a half a second, let it go, and it's going to start scanning. Now there's 3 different scan speeds that you can choose from. You either have a 3-second scan delay between each 6 or 9. And the way you change that, right now it's on the 3 seconds. So Sam, if you hit the switch, we'll see it goes by pretty quickly. Now whenever you hit it on a light, it'll stop and play.
I'm sleepy.
So if somebody couldn't track that, it's too fast for them, you held down cells 1, 1 and 2 for 3 seconds.
If you're happy.
1 and 3 together for 6 seconds. And if you hit your switch, it'll stop.
Unhappy.
1 and 4 for 9 seconds. Okay, you can hit your switch.
Unhappy.
And then you just go back to, bring it back to 3 seconds. You just hold 1 and 3. That's good. You know. That's good.
I'm hungry.
And then the last feature I want to point out is you can also do, for somebody who's non-visual, you can give what they call an auditory cue. If we set that on, it will basically play the messages as it goes past each one at a lower volume level, so they can hear their selection, and then when they hit their switch, it's going to play back the message at full volume. And the way you turn that on and off is very simple. It's cells 2 and 3. If it's on auditory cueing, if you hit these 2 cells, it'll turn it off, and vice versa. So now if you hit your switch, Sam, it's going to scan with auditory.
Unhappy.
Gotta hit your switch.
I'm I'm hungry.
See, it plays at full volume. So those are the features and functions of the scanning ability of the unit. So to record the levels, you're just gonna basically, once the message is played, if you want to record over it, as if we turn it off.
Level 1.
So I'll re-record over that. Press the record button. New level 1.
Level 2.
New level 2.
Level 3.
New level 3. So now, if I went through all the levels, eventually it would come back around, but if, for our purposes here, we're just going to shut it off. Give it a second.
New level 1. New level 2. New level 3.
That's it. To record your messages for the front of the machine, we'll show you how that works.
New level 1.
So I'm on level 1. I'm still going to use the record button here on the back, but in the front, which I'm going to turn the unit around, I need to press, while I'm holding the record button, the location on the front that I want to record a message for. So I'm going to turn the machine around, press the record button. If you're happy, release both, press the record button again. Unhappy,
Unhappy.
press the record button. I'm hungry, release both. I'm sleepy.
I'm sleepy.
If you're going to record all your messages at once, you could keep the record button down and just release your front button just to make it easier. But
If you're happy. Unhappy. I'm hungry.
now you can take this is an icon strip. It actually is 4 icons. You can actually remove this, and you can print out icons with either a board maker program or an icon maker. And you just,
I'm hungry.
whenever you change levels, you can slide in a new sheet of messages. You also can print this on regular printer paper, and if you want to laminate it, that's fine. Just only have one sheet in here at a time when actually working with the device. One other feature, we can remove the shoulder strap if you don't want to use it. Just these 2 thumb screws, no tools required. Just unscrew this and do the same on the other side. And you can remove the shoulder strap if you don't need it, and just makes it a little bit easier to use for tabletop use.